Okay, let's look at question 28. It says that the 10 students in Malcolm's max class all took a test. The score of the other 9 students are given as follow, right? And Malcolm's score was a whole number. The teacher made a mistake in calculating Malcolm's score. After he corrected her mistake, both the mean and the median of all score increased by 0.5. There are two possible correct scores that Malcolm could have had. What is the sum of this score? Therefore, can you see that? Let's look at the 9 score. The 9 other score: 82, 83, 85, 89, 90, 92, 95, 97, 98, right? Then it says that after the correction, the mean increased by 0.5, the median also increased by 0.5. And can you see that after correction, the mean increased by 0.5, right? The total score for the 10 score increased by 5, right? Because 0.5 times 10, that will give you 5. That means actually Malcolm's score after correction, right? It increased by 5. Can you see that? Malcolm's score after correction increased by 5. Then can we make this observation? The median will not change if Malcolm revised score is less than 89. Take note, suppose the original Malcolm score is A, or somewhere here. Let's say A, right? Somewhere here, right? Then what is the median? The median of the 10 score would be here, right? Would be 89.5, because here got 5 score. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then this side also got 5 score. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, the median is actually 85.5, right? And can you see that if after increase by 5, it is still less than 89, isn't that the median don't change? That means in this case, let's say after revision, Malcolm's score is actually A plus 5. Therefore, the A no longer exists. But this A plus 5 is still less than 89. Therefore, can you see that you still have 5 score here? 1. That means you still have 5 score here. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on the right hand side, you still have 5 score. Right? Therefore, the median remains as 89.5. Therefore, I think this is an important observation, right? This is an important observation. And the next observation is that, can you see that median will also not change? Will not change if what? If Malcolm original score is more than or equal to 92. Therefore, in this case, now we look at another case. That means now let's look at this. That means if let's say the original score that Malcolm have is actually B, is actually B, more than 92, right? Then in this case, where is the median? Where is the median? Can you see that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in this case, the right hand side you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, where is the median? The median is between these two, right? The median is between these two. Because on the right hand side, you got 5 score. You have 92, B, 95, 97, 98. Therefore, the median is actually 91. The median is 91. And can you see that if your original score is B after 92, right? Therefore, plus 5, you get B plus 5. That means, can you see that now you don't have the B? You don't have the B, right? That means the B no longer exists. After adjustment is B plus 5. Therefore, can you see that on the right hand side, you still have 5 score. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Then on the right hand side, obviously you still the five score remain, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in this case the median remain as 91. Right? Therefore in this case, that's why we make this statement. Median will not change if Malcolm original score is greater than 92. 92. Therefore in this case, what does it mean? That means in this case, this implies Malcolm's original score must be what? Original score is between what? Is between 85 and 91. And 91 inclusive. Inclusive. Remember after plus 5, right? Can you see that 85 plus 5? Can you see that 85 plus 5? That will give you 90. And this 90 is greater than 89. Because we know that if Malcolm's revised score is less than 89, there's no change in median. But now you look at 85 plus 5 is equal to 90 is greater than 89. Therefore, the median will change and the median will increase by 0.5, right? And can you see that? We have the second statement, right? Median will not change if Malcolm's original score is greater than 92, right? And can you see that 91 is actually less than 92? Therefore, in this case, can you see that confirms that if Malcolm's original score is between 85 and 91, then the median will change. Therefore, now we can do a simple table. That means look at the original score. Look at the original score and look at the revised score. And then we look at the original median. Original median. We look at the original median. Then after that, we look at the revised median. Then I think you can actually deduce your answer from here. Can you see that if the original score is 85, right? The revised score will be 90. Then the original median is 90.5. Then in this case, can you see that if your revised score is 90, then in this case, the revised median will be 90. Understand? Because can you see that if you put in this 90, can you see that this part here? Can you see that this part here? If your revised score is 90, therefore isn't that the median is 90? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore 90 plus 90 divided by 2, the median is 90. That means the median is 90, right? Then can you see that therefore this is correct. This is correct. Then can you see that if your original is 86, 87, 88, 88, and then 89, right? 89. Then your revised score is 91, 92, 93, and then 94, 94, right? Then can you see that your original median is 89.5, 89.5, but the revised median would be more than 90. The revised median would be more than 90. Because why? Your revised score is actually 91. Therefore, in this case, can you see that your revised score is here? That means in this case, your revised score now is 91. Is 91 or 92 or 93 or 94. Then in this case, can you see that your median is actually what? 92 plus this number, plus this number, plus this number, plus this number. Therefore, the median becomes 91. Or the median definitely becomes 91. Or, yeah, or the median becomes 91 because this part here, or no, the median will definitely be more than 9. It's not 91, it's more than 90. Or because if your number is 91, if your number here is 91, then in this case 90 plus 91 divided by 2, that will be just equal to 90.5. Therefore in this case, therefore we make a general remark that the median would be more than 90. Right? But if it is 92, can you see that if your number here is 92, then in this case can you see that the median will become 91? Because that will be 92, 92, 95, 97, 98. Therefore the median is here. The median will become 91. Therefore, can I say that in general we know that the median is more than 90? More than 90, that means it's a violation. You know why? Because the increase in the median is supposed to be 0.5, right? Therefore now let me continue. That means if your original score is 90, you will get 95, right? The revised score is 95. The original median will be 90, and then the new revised score is 91. Therefore again, if you don't understand this, let's look at this part here. Let's just write down the number. You will be able to understand 82, 83, and then 85, 89, right? And then this is 90, 92, 95, and then plus another 95, plus another 97, and then 98. Okay, so that there are 5 numbers here, and there are 5 numbers here, right? Therefore, what is the median? The median will be 91. Therefore, this is the one. But again, this is a violation, right? Because the median doesn't increase by 0.5. They increase by more than 0.5, right? Then let's say now the median is 91. Let's say the original score is 91. Then the revised score will be 96. And then can you see that the original median is 90.5, and then this part here is 91. Therefore in this case, can you see that if the original score is 91, right? If the original score is 91, therefore can you look at the original score? The original score is 91. Therefore in this case, can you see that let me do this. Okay, let's look at this. That means the original score, if the original score is 91, then can you see that you have 91 here, right? Then 92, 95, 97, 98. What is the original median? Can you see that the original median is actually 90.5, right? 90.5. Right? Okay, then can you see that this is adjusted to become 96? This is adjusted to become 96, right? Because plus 5. Therefore, in this case, there will be 5 numbers to the right, and then 5 numbers to the left, right? Therefore, what is the new median? The new median will be 91, right? Therefore, this is correct. This is correct. Therefore, the sum of the 2 possible scores, take note, we are talking about the revised score, right? We are talking about the revised score. Therefore, the revised score is 90 and 96, right? Then the median will increase by 1. Therefore, the sum of the 2 possible score, that will be what? That will be just equal to 90 plus 96. And in this case, that will be 186. 186. Therefore, I think, and hence we solve the question. Very tedious. You just have to be very careful, but not as difficult as you think. Therefore, I think, that's why I say write down the list again and again, then you will probably understand very well. Right? Therefore, with that, therefore, I think the key statement is here. Can you see that these 2 are the key statement? This part here and this part here, key statement. Right? And then From there, we know that Malcolm's original score is between 85 and 91. Or therefore, you just need to cover all cases from 95 all the way to 91, the original score, and then see what happened. All right, yeah. Okay, with that, I stop here, right?